Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a simple guide on how to combine your Visa gift cards in 2025. If you have got leftover balance on multiple cards and want to consolidate them into one, stick around. I've got you covered with some clever workarounds. First up, let's talk about the using multiple cards for a single transactions. If you have got a few cards with small amounts left, you can easily use them together for one purchase. Many stores and online retailers allow you to split payment across multiple cards. So when you're checking out, just tell the cashier you want to use several cards. Problem solved. Next, you can sell your card to kiosks. Believes it or not, some in-store kiosks allow you to trade your Visa gift cards for cash, store, or credit. This can be a great way to convert your cards if you don't want to deal with a bunch of small balances. Another option is using PayPal. You can add your Visa gift card balance to PayPal, which is a great way to consolidate funds. Once your card is linked, you can use PayPal for any purchase, and PayPal will use the available funds from your gift card as payments. Or you could go for an e-gift card. Some services allow you to combine the balance from several Visa gift cards into a single e-gift card for stores you love. It's a quick and easy solution to merge funds. You can also try calling the merchant or bank directly. In some cases, the merchant or bank behind your gift cards might help you consolidate the balances into your card. This can take a bit of time, but it's worth asking about. In some cases, or lastly, there are card management apps you can use. There are apps available that can help you manage multiple gift cards. Some of the apps left you combine gift card balance into one, making it easier to track and spend your funds. And there you have it, several ways to combine your Visa gift cards in 2025. I hope these tips help you to make the most of those leftover balances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use some gift cards. Know to how. Thanks for watching.